Hello everyone, I am Abhirami.
I'm Oksana. We are pursuing our BE Electronics and Communication Engineering in Avdashina, Mumbai City.
Hello everyone, this circuit is a 5-volt regulator power supply circuit. It converts a 230-volt AC supply into a stable 5-volt DC output. First, the AC source supplies 230-volt alternating voltage at 50 frequency. This high AC voltage cannot be used directly for electronic circuits. The transformer T1 reduces the high voltage from this process is called step-down transformation. The transformation also provides the electrical isolation from the main supply. Next, the AC voltmeter. The AC voltmeter measures the transformer output voltage. In this circuit, it shows approximately 12 voltage AC. The 12 volt AC is then given to the bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier consists of 4 diodes arranged in bridge form. Its function is to convert AC into pulsating DC. During a positive off cycle, two diodes conduct. During the negative off cycle, the other two diodes conduct. Therefore, the current flows in the same direction. At the output during the off cycle, this process is called full wave rectification. The output from the rectifier is not pure DC because it contains ripples. To reduce these ripples, capacitor C1 1000 microfarad is used as a filter capacitor. The capacitor charges when voltage increases and decreases when voltage decreases. Thus, it smooths the pulsating DC into nearly smooth DC voltage.
Now I am going to tell how the AC is converted into DC. This filtered DC is then applied to the 7805 voltage regulator IC. The function of the 7805 IC is to maintain a constant at the output even if the input voltage changes slightly. The regulator has 3 pins: input pin, ground pin and the output pin. Capacitor C2 is connected at the output side of the regulator. It removes surrounding noise and improves voltage stability. Finally, the DC voltmeter measures the regulated output voltage and shows approximately. So the overall operation of the circuit is this type of circuit is commonly used in microcontroller circuits, Arduino boards, digital electronics and small electronic devices requiring a stable 5 volt supply. Thank you.